Let's learn how to change the background color of your Instagram stories in just a few simple steps. Are you tired of the same old background colors on your Instagram stories? Well, in this video, we'll show you 2 different ways to change your background color on Instagram stories, so you can stand out and make your content pop. Let's open our Instagram app and then swipe to open your camera. Make sure that the story option is selected, and then you'll see this toolbar at the left side of your screen. You want to click on these letters here, and the tool is called Create. That's gonna change our background color. And you can change the color by tapping on this little circle at the bottom right corner. Once you're happy with the color, just click on the shutter button, and we have our background. In order to add a photo to our story, we'll click on the sticker icon at the top. Then from this menu, you want to find the photo option, which is gonna open your photo gallery, and just add the photo which you want to share with your followers. But this method of changing the background colors is very limited, because you have only a couple of colors which you can choose from. But I'm gonna show you a second method on changing the background color. And with this method, you can add whatever color you want. So we'll open our Instagram camera once again, and just select a photo from your photo gallery. Now we'll change the background color of our story. You want to tap on these 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen, and then select this draw tool. The next step is to select the color which you want for your background. I want a blue background for my stories, so I'll select the color right here. When you select your color, just long hold anywhere on your background, and your whole screen will turn into the color which you chose. But we don't have the photo anymore. Don't worry. We'll tap on the sticker option one more time, then find the photo tool and click on it. That will open your photo gallery one more time where you just want to add your photo. If you change your mind and want a different color after you've added the photo, just select the draw tool one more time, then select your color and long hold on the story background. The color will be changed, and you can now pop out with your content. Thanks a lot for watching and enjoy.